Yo, what's going on YouTube? A Box here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the unofficial Star Wars Battlefront 2 version 1.3 patch. And basically what this patch is it's a massive patch obviously for Star Wars Battlefront 2, but it also includes a visual upgrade if you do indeed install this full version. Now there is a light version out there that doesn't include the visual upgrades, but I suggest installing this full version just for that beautiful visual upgrade. So anyways, I'm going to be linking you guys down in the description below to this full version, and you can go ahead, click that link now, and follow along with this installation. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and hit download now. Alright, so once it processes, you're going to have to actually wait 5 seconds, and then you're going to go ahead and choose where to save this file. So I'm going to save it to my desktop for simplicity, and then we're going to go ahead and wait for this file to finish downloading, and I'll be right back in a quick sec. Alright, so the file is almost downloaded, so what we're going to want to do right before this is finished downloading, we're going to want to go ahead and click the start button, go to computer, and then we're going to want to go to local disk, program files 86, find Steam, and then go to Steam apps, and then go into common, and then open up Star Wars Battlefront 2 and go into your game data. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is create a new folder here and name it add-on. However, I do already have this folder created, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And you want to create a folder named add-on, and then inside of here you're going to want to create this folder right here. This will actually be down in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it, but you can also just type it in. It's 3 capital A's dash v1.3 patch, and then there's no spaces. So you want to go ahead and create that folder, and then what we're actually going to be using this for is for the installation. So we can go ahead and minimize that and minimize our browser. And then now that we have this here, we can go ahead and launch this by just double clicking it. It's already set to launch as administrator, so we don't have to worry about that. We can go ahead and hit yes. And then what we're going to do is actually choose that folder that we actually just created. So we're going to go into that directory that we just created. So what we're going to want to do is actually hit these 3 browse dots right here, and then we're going to go to computer, local disk, program files 86, and then we're going to find Steam again. Once we find Steam, we want to open that up and then find Steam apps. And then inside Steam apps, open up common. And then open up Star Wars Battlefront 2. Open up game data. And then inside game data, open up the add-on folder that we created. And then click on the AAA-version 1.3 patch folder that we did create a little bit earlier. And then we want to go ahead and hit OK. And then we can go ahead and hit extract. This is going to take a few seconds here, so I'll see you guys right after it's done extracting, and then I'll show you guys what to do from there. Alright, so the file is actually done extracting. Now we're going to go ahead and open up that folder just to ensure that everything did indeed install correctly, and then we actually have another step that we have to do before everything is great and dandy. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and find our Steam directory again, go into Steam apps, common, and then Star Wars Battlefront 2, game data, and then go into add-on and go into our folder that we created, and then in here we can see that everything has indeed installed correctly. But from here, what we're actually going to want to do is run this as administrator, so the menu.bat, and we're going to want to go ahead and right click and hit run as administrator and hit yes. And then as you guys can see, it's going to pop up this command. It says this window should not close until you select exit. If it does close, then something might have failed to install correctly. So anyways, it says press any key to continue, so we're going to do so. And then what it should actually do is open up this new menu that says main menu, and it will tell you to press 1 to install and then 0 to exit. We're going to go ahead and press 1 and hit enter. And then it's going to say updating the sides and so on. And then it's actually going to do all of its installing, and then once this is done, it should then open up a exit menu, so we can go ahead and press any key to continue right here, and then you can see main menu. We can do uninstall the unofficial version 1.3 patch if you ever want to uninstall it. We can remove the HUD changes, we can remove the side changes, we can disable the award effects, we can disable custom map colors, and so on. So what I'm actually going to do right now is actually disable the HUD changes, because I personally do not like the HUD changes. So let's go ahead and hit 3 and hit enter. And then bam, it's going to uninstall the HUD changes, and then you'll actually be able to install them or restore them at any time by pressing 4 and then enter. But we're going to go ahead and press 0 and hit enter to exit, and then we can press any key to continue, and bam, now it's installed. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you all did enjoy. If you did, please smack that like button down below and subscribe to join the good fight. It would be super Greatly appreciated. But that's it for this video, and until next time, this is Epoxy, signing off.